Have you ever wondered why our knuckles make a popping sound? It's a question that has intrigued scientists for ages. The cracking sound is not due to the breaking of bones. Rather, it's all about gas. Inside our joints, there's a lubricant called synovial fluid. This fluid contains dissolved gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. When we stretch or bend our fingers, the joint space expands, creating a pressure drop. This pressure drop causes the dissolved gases to form tiny bubbles. When these bubbles burst, you hear that familiar cracking sound. And no, contrary to popular belief, cracking your knuckles does not lead to arthritis. It's just a myth. Science has debunked it. So, the next time your knuckles crack, remember, it's just a gas party happening inside your joints. Like and subscribe for more videos.